Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. And today I have an announcement to make. So, from now onwards, Cancers, I'll be giving your reading every alternate days. So, you will be seeing your next reading day after tomorrow. And if you are a cross watcher, today I'll be giving reading for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, and tomorrow you can see the reading for Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So, Cancers, in future I'll be making a dedicated channel for your daily readings and you can wait for the announcement, guys. So, please help me and support me in this new idea. So, let's start the reading for your daily energies, career situation, relationship. We'll be picking few cards today. And as usual, I have a pick a card reading that will follow this general reading. So, that reading may clear your doubts, may answer some questions you have in your circumstances, Cancer. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your moon energy, and this is the message from your person. So, let's start the reading with these cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Cancer. So, in your circumstances, in your relationship, you feel some kind of instability. Something is not working as you had hoped for. Some difficulties, some confusions may be there, and you lack clarity, but you are a very kind hearted person, compassionate, trustworthy, devoted to the people you love. And though you feel confused with this person, you don't know what is in their mind, what are they doing. You are a kind hearted soul. You want to give them a chance. You want to wait till this person tells you whatever they are thinking or whatever they are planning. But this person is not like you, Cancer. They have a lot going on their mind. They are not like you. They are having something on their mind. Their intentions are not good. And this person has some plans. It may be, it may not be a good plan, but you trust them, you respect them, you love them, but this person cannot be trusted because their intentions are not good. And you are a kind person, you are waiting for an answer. Maybe you have asked this person what will be their decision for this love, what will be their answer today. You are waiting for an answer. And maybe for some of you, you will know the truth. You will know what is their decision, what is the answer for this situation, what is their plan for the future. So, some kind of secrets they were holding in their heart is being revealed. Whatever their intentions are, whatever their plans are going to be revealed today. So, you, though it may be a painful truth, you will feel relieved. You will feel a great relief for having known this truth, Cancers. So, in your career situation, Cancers, you may see a lot of competition stability, some suspensions may be there in your work, some difficulties may be there, but you need to wait, hold on, because there is a change coming very soon in your work circumstances. So let's see what is the card for your moon energies. A time for healing. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe you feel that you have overcome difficulties, you have healed, and you're happy to go, happy to step into the next step, the next decision. But this is not the right time. You need to wait, take some more time. You need to be silent, and you will see deep down in your heart, you will know your intuition guiding you, telling you what needs to be done, and you need to let go of your past, whatever pain you experienced, and you need more time. And this is the time for you to heal completely, Cancer. So, that is the energy here with this card. So, for the message from your person, I learned something new from you every day. Such a beautiful message for you all today. So, that is the reading for you all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be really happy to know what you feel about this reading, and I will see you day after tomorrow, Cancers. So for now, bye guys, and stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. For those who chose this card, we will see what it is. The Fates. So in your circumstances today, it may be in your career, it may be in your relationship, you are seeing some circumstance and it may be quite difficult for you to accept, but when you cannot change something in your life, you have done your best, you have put in a lot of efforts, but still your situation is not changing. It is karma or destiny working its part. You need to understand that. So accept the things that you cannot change and have courage to make changes in few things that you can do, and having the wisdom to know the difference between certain things you cannot do anything about no matter what efforts you're making, and in certain situations you will be able to change. So you need that acceptance today and feel peace within yourself, peace in your heart. So the same way in your relationship, you cannot change this person according to your wishes. Sometimes you need to accept them as they are. So instead of molding the people, you should try to be in that relationship in such a way that it is not making you uncomfortable. And you need to see them as they are truthfully. Whatever is happening between you and this person is perfect, in the perspective of that of universe. And it is time for you to love unconditionally. And for each of us, we are on our own journey. We cannot direct that journey for another person, and we must accept that. And if this relationship means something difficult, you are doing a lot, you are not seeing any changes, you should understand that this relationship is fated. It is meant to be this way, and you are meant to evolve into a better person because of this relationship. You may feel that circumstances are not good and you are seeing painful things happening to good people. Maybe you are so good, but still there are some difficult circumstances you are seeing. But destiny is a mystery. We cannot do anything about certain things. We are powerless to change. So we need to have that acceptance. When we do that, there will be a peace so deep, and that will be calming our spirit and soul. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Rapunzel, liberation. So in your circumstances, you feel trapped in your circumstance, hidden away, and you have accepted this situation, and you are not willing to come out of the shell, not willing to connect to people. You may have a few people who are close to you. Other than that, you are not willing to communicate to anyone or come out of your shell or this prison that you have imposed on yourself. And this card comes with a message that you are deliberately avoiding people in your life. And this tower or prison is in your heart. It's not a physical thing, or it is not other people who are imposing those rules on you. So you need to stop being this way and live a life taking risks, and you need to consider your circumstance, whether you want to connect to people, whether you want to relate to others, whether you wish to do that. And you may feel safe within your shell, but it is not life. Isolating yourself alone, it's not going to help you in any way. And you need to give up all the negative thoughts. You may have fears of future, or fear of failure in a relationship, fear of seeing something bad in your life, and that is the reason you are not coming out of that shell. You are isolating yourself. So you need to give up all those thoughts, whatever is holding you back, weighing you down, and you need to change your perception, releasing attachment to your past. Whatever has happened, and you must just take the lessons but not fear or feel anxious over what may happen in your future. So change is in your hands. You are the one who is powerful to change your situation, change your life, and the time of waiting is over for you. Waiting in isolation, waiting within this shell is over for you guys. So you need to come out now, because there are people who love you, who care for you, who want to connect with you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.